نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الله لا يغير ما بقوم حتى يغيروا ما بأنفسهم صدق الله العظيم हमारी रूह जब बेदाद होती है जवानों में हमारी रूह जब बेदाद होती है जवानों में नजर आती है उनको अपनी मंजिल आसमानों में Respected President and Honorable Teacher, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I feel proud and privileged to have an opportunity to open my lips on the topic constructive role of youth in nation building. Mr. President, youth comprises the sphere of society where with developing birds. Scientifically, it is a well-known fact that the most significant phase in our lives is the youth phase. Youth is the building block of a nation. Youth is the powerhouse of a nation. Youth is the engine of development. Youth is the changer for a nation. Youth is filled with enthusiasm. Youth is filled with energy. Youth is filled with talent. Youth is mind full of thought. अफराद के हाथों में है अक़वाम की तकदीर. अफराद के हाथों में है अक़वाम की तकदीर. हर फर्द मिल्लत के मुक़द्दर का सितारा. Mr. President, a youth can change not only direction of the nation but of the whole world. During this phase, our mind very active and conscious. We are filled with passion and energy and can do anything if we want. Respected jury, Pakistan currently is the largest generation of young people ever recorded and its history is 64%. If their energies and strength are directed in one direction and utilized positively so it can lift our nation up to the high of the sky. A youth can contribute to the nation in three significant ways. Number one, scientifically. Number two, economically. Number three, for most important one, politically. Mr. President, youth can serve as to the spine of the nation. A youth can live and learn lot of things related to science and then research and it and then take out fruitful result. It is our own history that we have produced numerous scientists and mathematicians. Pakistani student who were mahsoos here in 13 and has solved a difficult problem and he was rewarded young scientist 2021. Our scientists and engineer, male or female, are building a important position in a well-reputed agency, USA, NASA. So we can say rightly say that the youth are beacons. In Pakistan we are being a good percentage of youth who are having position start upon the all may hear about such future in Pakistan. This is the largest town with 60% of its population filling the age of 30. Mr. President, the third point, youth can also play its role politically. So at the last I want to say, youth are the backbones of our nation. Youth are the minds of our nation. We have to take our youth seriously. We have to understand their talent. We have to understand their creativity. And then we have to take decision accordingly. Iqbal says about youth. खुद को गुलामी से आजाद कर, खुद